So this is a 2001 Mitsubishi, and this is what happens to the balancer when the balancer comes loose. You can see that it's got some pretty good grooves down in there around the edge. It's kind of what it should look like. What we've done here is, since it did break the bolt off in there, we were able to get the old bolt out in pieces, of course, because the customer drove it till it wouldn't go anymore, which is about how it works in my world. So this is the biggest piece that I got out. I'm going to lay it on the fender. There we go. And as you can tell, it's on the ground now. So here we go with our piece. Kind of hollow. Yeah, okay, there it is. Threads and all. Okay, so what we did was we went to a larger size bolt, and which we already have installed, and we have it already drilled. Of course, you can't see anything. There we go. We have our bolt in it. And now we just need to get our pin out of there. Common thing that happens to these Mitsubishis, this is a fix for it. That bolt there is about twice the size of what was in it originally. We used a we got a tap here somewhere. We tapped it to a there you go, everybody. Can you read that? Okay, so Mitsubishi Montero Limited, right? This is Mitsubishi products, yeah, Chevys, Fords, they don't do this. Balancers don't fall off. The balancer basically fell off. So if anybody's got a Mitsubishi Montero that they're thinking about throwing it away because the motor is no good, because they've broken the bolt right off the balancer, this is how you get it out. And we have accomplished that today. This is our drill bits and our bolts and our taps and our blower, everything you need to do it. Once again, this is a Mitsubishi Montero Sport, and it is a 3.5 liter.